The first thing we're going to learn is a brief overview of how the pivot point levels are calculated. Now, this is automatically calculated for you when you plot this on your MT4 platform, so don't worry completely about understanding how this is calculated. The pivot point and its associated support and resistance levels are calculated using the last trading session's open, high, low, and close. Most traders use the New York closing time of 5 p.m. Eastern as the previous day's close. The pivot point, or PP, is calculated by taking the high plus the low plus the close and dividing it by 3. Then, with that pivot point calculated, all the support and resistance lines are calculated. Like I said, you don't need to know how to calculate this, so we're not going to go into detail on this. But for example, the first level of resistance is calculated by taking 2 times the pivot point and subtracting the low. The first level of support is calculated by taking 2 times the pivot point and subtracting the high. Then the second support and resistance levels are calculated, and the third, and so forth, using different equations. So let's just go into your MT4 platform and show you how to plot this. All right, so here we are in an MT4 platform. So to add the pivot points to your chart, you simply go to Insert and to Indicators. And then this is a custom indicator. It's one that you would have to add with custom code on your own to your MT4 platform. It's not in here like MACD automatically or stochastic or RSI or anything like that. So you should already have pivot points in your MT4 platform because we should have put it in there for you automatically. It may be called something a little different. It also may look a little different than what I'm about to show you, but you should have pivot points in your custom indicator. So I'll go ahead and click on that to add it here. Yours might look different here. So I'm going to change just a couple things so that this looks a little nicer. Okay, I'll hit OK, and there you have it. You can see it just plots it right on here. So whether you plot it or some other trader plots it or I plot it, the PP is going to be exactly at this point on the 30-minute USD CAD chart. R1's going to be right here. S1's going to be here. So that's the really nice thing about this is you just add the indicator and it'll plot automatically on your chart. So you can see how one of the advantages of using pivot points is that it's completely objective. So it's very easy to test how price reacted to them. In the next couple of sections, we'll talk about how to trade using these pivot points. I'll see you there.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.